Hi everyone, just wanted to do a quick video so that you can see how to respond when you have a discussion board assignment. All you'll need to do is go into modules. You'll either see the assignment itself, or within modules you'll be in the week that we're currently working on. Thinking Through Writing is a discussion board assignment, so I click on that. Then I'll see the questions or the information that I'm supposed to be discussing. There is always directions on how much you need to post, and also when the post is due. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see a reply bar. Once you click that, you'll find that there is a dialog box where you can type your initial post, and once other people have posted, just simply click reply to their post and you'll see the same thing. When you are finished with your discussion board, it will go into my to-do list, and when those are graded, the grades will appear in the grades over on the side. If you have any questions, you can always call and ask or send a message or an email. Don't forget there's also the help button, which will lead you to different videos to show you how to do different things in Canvas. Thanks for listening.